Today I'm going to demonstrate for you a simple cucumber juice in the Greenstar Pro Juicer by Tribest. This is a brand new juicer on the market in Australia. In my opinion, it is the best juicer for juicing hard vegetables, leafy greens, and even soft fruits like cucumber. The Greenstar is a 3-stage masticating juicer. It's got a grinding, a mixing, and a pressing stage. So you're going to get the highest yield and also the most nutritious juice. So this is a beautiful breakfast juice. I'm going to turn it on and away we go. So hydrating. Good for your complexion. In it goes. It's really high in vitamin B as well. Okay, so it's going to give you a really increased energy level, really boost your metabolism. So perfect juice for the morning. You can put some lemon or lime in here, some leafy greens. It's entirely up to you. But I really love just straight cucumber juice. So good. So I'm using the coarse juicing screen today. All right, and I've got the outlet adjusting knob quite loose. All right, I don't want to hold it in there too long, or the celery juice can back up through the chute here. Okay, so you can still see this. A little bit of moisture there. I could put that back through, or I can just tighten the knob here a bit. Push down that celery. That cucumber, I should say. We just made a celery juice earlier. Absolutely beautiful. You can put some fresh celery in here as well. Look at that beautiful color of that cucumber juice. Absolutely gorgeous. And that should do for today. Turn that off. So you can see that there. I've juiced about 3 cucumbers. I've got over half a litre of juice. So delicious. Gonna serve out some of this. Beautiful, look at that. So hydrating. Try some of that. Absolutely beautiful. Try this recipe. Happy juicing.